Welcome to Deadwood Layout, my model railway. My Deadwood is a fictitious town set in south-central British Columbia, somewhere along the main line of the Canadian Pacific Railway. The layout is virtually complete and is located in a shed room in Canberra, Australia. In this video, I will first describe some of the features of the layout, followed by the cab ride. The layout is in the shape of a horseshoe extending along three sides of my shed room. It's approximately 3.3 meters from side to side and 3.2 meters deep. The main line, shown in red, is a continuous loop running along the inside of the horseshoe and returning along its outside. There are two passing tracks shown in blue and a 7-track fiddle yard shown in green. The fiddle yard is hidden from view by a solid screen designated by the dash line in the track plan. Several sidings are indicated by light gray. The layout has three basic elements, namely a mountainous region along the left-hand wall, the town and station area on the right-hand side, and a transition region at its far end, which features a farm and oil refinery. This photo shows the mountainous region on the layout's left, looking towards the end wall. In this part of the layout, the main line crosses two bridges and travels through a long and a short tunnel as it wends its way through the mountains. On the right side of the layout, we have the main street of Deadwood town in the foreground, as well as a station and a freight transfer depot in the middle distance. At the layout's far end, the Webb oil refinery is seen. The video camera is an SQ-10 mini camera mounted on a micro-trains boxcar chassis. This equipment is pushed around the layout by two Rapido-8 locomotives. The cab ride starts just as the main line exits from the fiddle yard near the bottom right of this track plan as indicated. The ride proceeds in a counterclockwise direction around the inside of the layout before it changes direction in the tunnel and returns in a clockwise direction along the layout's outside. Near its end, the ride runs through the fiddle yard before it finishes at the station a bit further on from where it began. The total distance around the track loop from start position to start position is 17.5 meters, or 57 feet. Enough talking from me, so away we go. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching.